Hi there, it's Clara here. Welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'll be sharing a quick tutorial on how to crochet a stunning flower. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to show your support. Let's dive right in. Let's start crocheting here 40 chains. And I'm gonna make chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and this counts the first 3 chains as double crochet and the next 2 chains as a chain 2 space. Now we're gonna make a double crochet and end the 6. Now we're gonna chain 2, 1, 2, same stitch, we're gonna make another double crochet. Now we're gonna skip 1 chain, and in the next one we're gonna make a double crochet. Now we're gonna chain 2, 1, 2, and in the same stitch we're gonna make a double crochet. We're gonna skip the next one, and in the next one we're gonna make a double crochet. And we are going to repeat this pattern. Now chain 2, and in the same stitch 1 double crochet. And we repeat the pattern across, so I'll meet you right at the end. So I'm right here almost at the end, and I'm gonna make the last V stitch. I skip 1, and in the next one I'm gonna make 1 double crochet, and if you see there's 1 left, it's totally fine because right at the end you can easily hide the last stitch. So let's make a double crochet, chain 2, and a double crochet in the same stitch, and that's gonna be our last stitch right there. Now we're gonna make chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and this one counts as double crochet. We turn our work, and right in the first chain 2 space we're gonna make 1 double crochet, and then we're gonna make chain 2 and 2 more double crochets in the same chain space. 1 and 2. Now we're gonna jump to the next chain space where the V stitch is, and we're gonna make our next set of 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. So let's start with the first double crochet. This is 1, and then 2, chain 2, and 2 double crochets. And this is going to be our pattern for the second row. If you see here, we have 2 double crochets. We jump those 2 and we go to the chain 2 space. That's exactly where we're making our set of 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. And then we make chain 2 and 2 more double crochets in the same chain 2 space. So let's repeat that, and I'll meet you guys right at the end. Now I'm right here almost at the end, so we're gonna make our set of 2 double crochets right here, 1 and 2, chain 2, and 2 more double crochets right in the same chain space. And now if you notice, we have this chain 2 space right here, and we're gonna repeat right at the end. Same thing, 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 and 2 more double crochets, 1 and 2. And that is our last set. Now we're gonna turn our work right in this chain to a space. We're gonna make 6 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And to close this first petal, we're gonna just go in between these 4 stitches right here, in the middle. We're gonna make a slip stitch and we close the petal. Now we're gonna jump to the next chain to space and we're gonna make again 6 double crochets. And same thing right here between these 4 double crochets right in the middle. We're gonna make slip a stitch and we close that petal and we continue like that until the end. So in every chain 2 spaces we're gonna make 6 double crochets. So we continue like that until the end, and I'll meet you guys right at the end. I got right here to the end and I finished my last 6 double crochets. Now I'm gonna slip a stitch in the 3rd chain from the beginning chain 3 right in the top. I slip a stitch and I close that round. Now I'm gonna fasten off, and first thing I'm gonna do is weave in those ends so I don't have to deal with that at the end. So now I'm gonna use a yarn needle. If you see the V shape in this direction, just take your flower just like that and you start rolling it. You're gonna use your yarn needle and make sure these 2 are together. So I'm gonna insert it like so, and I'm gonna continue rolling this way. Now I'm gonna insert my yarn needle and I'm gonna continue joining just the edges. If you see this, just gonna go right at the edge and I'm gonna insert right there. You can just turn it upside down and then you insert your yarn needle this way and continue joining the petals so the flowers start shaping up. And right at the very end, you can just insert your yarn needle right in the middle. Turn your flower around, shape it up, you insert your yarn needle right in the middle and you make sure you pull it out. So right there you shape it up the center and then you can again pull it all the way to the back and you're pretty much done. There you have it, a beautiful flower. I hope you like it and I see you guys in the next video. Bye.